A network is any collection of independent computers that communicate with one another over a shared network medium. A computer network is a collection of two or more connected computers. When these computers are joined in a network, people can share files and peripherals such as modems, printers, tape backup drives. As companies rely on applications like electronic mail and database management for core business operations, computer networking becomes increasingly more important. Every network includes at least two computers, server or client workstation, networking interface cards, a connection medium, usually a wire or cable, although wireless communication between networked computers and peripherals is also possible. Network operating system software, such as Microsoft Windows operating system, or Unix or Linux operating system. There are different types of networks in computer system. 1. Local area networks. 2. Wireless local area networks. 3. Wide area networks. 4. Metropolitan area networks. 5. Campus area networks. 6. Storage or system area network. 7. Personal area network. 8. Desk area network. Now let's talk about these types of networking in details. Local area networking is used primarily in small areas such as schools, hospitals and office buildings. Local area networking is one of the older types of networks. Internet protocol is used as the method of communication between computers in local area networking. Due to its small size, it is possible for one person to administrate a local area network. Local area networks are viable to quick change, using a bus network topology that allows for easy access to the local area network. Wireless local area networks are much like local area networks, except they do not require network cables to connect each other. Radio and infrared signals are used to communicate between machines whilst using a wireless local area network. Wireless local area networks allow for small amounts of mobility whilst being connected to the Internet. Wireless area networks are commonly seen being used by a Wi-Fi Internet connection. Wireless local area networks connections offer a surprising amount of mobility for users with laptops and smartphones while being able to stay connected to the Internet by different networking topology. Next is wide area networks. They are used to connect server machines and computers across continents or countries for constant information updates. Wide area networks are used across the globe. Many networks connect with one another across continents to create one giant wide area network. Wide area networks use optic fiber as their communication medium. The largest example of a wide area network is the Internet itself, which connects all users to the information and data that is available on the Internet. Metropolitan area networks. They are not commonly used these days. They are used to create communication between systems in an entire city. Hence a metropolitan area network area falls between the sizes local area networks and wide area networks. Metropolitan area networks are used by city-specific businesses such as the New York Times and the state of New York. Campus area networks are usually a connection of many small LAN networks which are often used on university campuses and office buildings. Campus area networks allow for easy file sharing between different departments as all the files are usually shared on the server machines of each LAN network. This type of network offers a lot of simplicity in the transfer and downloading of files. Storage area networks are primarily used as information databases. They are not usually used by large organizations or similar entities. They are specifically used for the storage of information and easy retrieval of specific pieces of data whenever required. Storage area networks are usually used by websites which offer downloading services. System area networks are speed-oriented networks which provide high-speed internet connections to a cluster of computers. These are primarily used for server purposes, and allow other computers to connect to these system area networks. Permission to different access points are given according to what status a system is on the system area network, such as administrators or simple users.